Crazy. Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skills Season 2 announcement. Let's go. Good shit. Good shit. All right. Is that it? That's it.
Disguiser ka.
Yeah, because we got to all the Burnwitch stuff. Yeah, we got to all the Burnwitch stuff before early. So. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, and I see when you watch this. What is it? It's like Power Rangers. Oh, this is the main stuff. I still have this. There's a 14-minute Power Rangers, hardcore Power Rangers that I think I may want to watch, but I don't have the time for that because I need to give all my time today to Kaiji. So yeah. All right. Yeah. So Campfire Cooking in Another World with My Absurd Skills Season 2 announced. This is good news. I am going to love it. Yo, C! What's up, C? Bro, the goddesses that just want more and more sugar. Have they ever changed their minds on getting more savory things, like getting some steaks, getting some ribs, getting some duck? Nah. It's just sugar, 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 bro. Sweets, confections as far as the eye can see. Dopamine, 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 dopamine. All right, whatever. But these are my boys right here. Bro! Dude, do they still have the Oh, Agni wanted beer. True. Fair. Fair enough. Fair enough. The fight, yeah, fair enough. You don't want a beer. Hold on. Out of curiosity though. Did they take care of the Chimera? I think do they still have a Chimera in the inventory? I forgot what it was called. Like a new? The guy with the I think it was like a lion body, the wings of an eagle, the snake tail. Like, do they still have that motherfucker in their inventory? I wonder. Because that's funny as hell if they do. Because they could not sell this thing. This thing was so rare. It was so studly. They just could not. They couldn't get it dissected. They couldn't make it into meat. They couldn't sell this thing. This thing was just too mythical. It was too powerful. Yeah, I think they still have this like new thing in their inventory, which is ridiculous, bro. They did not sell it. Oh my god. Oh, okay.